First day of winter and temperatures, well, you wouldn't notice that it's winter, at least until tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a big cold front coming through. This is the big frontal system that's affecting the entire United States. They're actually calling it a bomb cyclone right now. Yeah, that's basically when you have a large blizzard type storm. Looks like a hurricane on radar, but typically blizzards are just giant snow land hurricanes, if you want to call it that. And of course, just ahead of it, it's actually pretty calm right now. High pressure is sitting right about south of Austin. That means we got nice conditions. We do have a little bit of cloud cover, but that southerly wind is keeping us nice and toasty for now. And by toasty, I mean we're in those mid 40s, which isn't really cold, but isn't really hot either. Not too bad, pretty normal for this time of year. But conditions are going to start changing. Obviously tonight, not so much. Going to stay partly cloudy. It's going to stay nice and calm. Winds are going to stay from the south, about 5 to 10 miles per hour. It's the calm before the storm. But let's jump right into that futurecast. Starting off tomorrow morning, you can already see that frontal system just to the north of the I-20 corridor. Then it starts to make its move into our region. We're going to hit peak temperatures right around 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning in those 50s for the most part across the area. Then as it starts to move along, temperatures begin to drop off. How quickly? Well, as quickly as just a few hours, boom, you are going to be below the freezing point, and it's going to continue dropping as we head into the evening time. I'm talking teens in the north by around 10 o'clock tomorrow night. So yeah, it's going to be pretty cold. And on top of it, we're going to have some very strong wind gusts. Sustained winds starting in the afternoon are going to be about 20 to 25 miles per hour, with gusts getting up to about 35 to 40, and they're all coming from the north. When that front comes through, we're going to get that cold Arctic air pushing into the region. That's going to result in wind chill values dropping off significantly. How cold? Well, we're talking about single digits to teens. Yeah, 1 degree is expected around Thursday night to Friday morning for Waco, 2 in Temple, -1 in Hamilton and Meridian. So yeah, we're talking about some very chilly temperatures. So what do? Got to protect the 4 Ps. People, pets, pipes, plants. Try saying that 4 times fast. People, what you need to do, wear as many layers as possible. If you're heading outside, cover up your hands and your head. Pets, keep your pets inside, of course, going into those overnight hours. For pipes, typically this applies to older buildings, but maybe just leave your faucet on a drip setting. That way it prevents any exposed pipes from freezing. Plants, bring those inside. But as quickly as this cools off, this is going to move the entire system out to the northeast, kind of provides blizzard-like conditions. But look at this ridge. This ridge is going to push into our region after we get past Christmas Day, and temperatures are going to start shooting right back up to above average. Very windy throughout the day tomorrow. Temperatures hitting 50 degrees right before noon and then dropping off. We're looking at below freezing temperatures staying for about 40 to 48 hours. Then on Saturday, Christmas Eve, we start to warm up to above freezing. Same going into early next week. Then it warms right back up, Lindsay.